Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be checking out the new budget wireless Bluetooth headphones. So the special thing about these headphones is they're Bluetooth V5.0. Usually Bluetooth 5.0 products are not that cheap, they're a bit expensive, but this one here is available for only 1390 rupees. They're made by Soundone and the model is called V9. These headphones offer HD quality sound and also come with a built-in microphone. Let's see what else is written on the box packing. We've got the Soundone branding everywhere, and going to the back side we've got all the details of the product. Let me give you guys a closer look. As I've told you, they support Bluetooth V5.0, have a range of around 10 meters and come with a built-in 500 mAh battery. So those were some of its highlights. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. By the way guys, you might already know that Amazon is currently having their Freedom sale going on, right? So I have included links to some of my favorite picks from the sale with best discounts available in the description box below. If you're interested, do check them out. So on opening the box, we've got the headphones at the top. They came packed like this, and along with the product, we also get an accessory box here. Before we check out the headphones, let me show you what do we get in that accessory box. We've got a lot of stuff here, which includes a USB cable for charging the headphones, a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, and some paperwork. There's a warranty card and a user manual. Just make sure to read them for all the info on the product. That's it, these are all the items we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the headphones. So this is how the Soundone V9 look like. They're affordable Bluetooth 5.0 headphones, and wow, not bad. They've got a pretty good design. And the first thing you'll notice when you hold them is how lightweight these headphones are. The build quality also looks decent for the price, and I really like this CD-like texture on the ear cups, gives a premium look to the product, while the rest of the body is entirely made of high quality plastic. And this is how the headband looks like. The whole body has this nice soft matte finishing, and the headband can also be extended like this so it can fit almost any head size. The overall build quality of the product is good. Now let me tell you about the cushioning. So on the bottom side, you've got this rubbery cushion-like material at the center to offer you better comfort while using the product. The Soundone V9 are over-the-ear headphones and offer large-sized ear cups. The ear cups material is nice, looks like artificial leather, and feels soft and cushiony. I'll actually have to put them on to tell you about the comfort quality. Now let me show you all the available buttons and ports on the product. Going to the right side, there's a power button, a mode button, volume down, volume up, and beside that we've got a 3.5mm aux port, a status LED indicator, a micro USB port for charging, and a microphone. That's it, there's nothing else on the left side. So those are all the available ports and buttons on it. Now it's time to power on the headphones, put them on, and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Soundone V9 wireless headphones have an ergonomic design and feel comfortable to wear for long time usage. And since they are very lightweight, you won't feel like there's something heavy on top of your head. And the noise isolation is also decent. Talking about the sound, first of all guys, these are budget category headphones, so don't expect premium quality sound. The audio quality was decent for the price. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals sounded warm, and I could easily understand all the dialogues. I felt the treble quality was average, and talking about the bass was nice and punchy thanks to its big 40mm drivers. On the overall, for the price point, I would say these headphones were offering above average quality sound. The distortion was less up to 85% volume level, but beyond that you can definitely feel the distortion in the sound. And coming to the output, the audio output was very loud. I couldn't go beyond 80% volume level. I've told you at the beginning that they also come with a built-in microphone, right? The mic quality was good during call conversations. Okay, now let me tell you about the battery life. The Soundone V9 has a built-in 500 mAh battery, and on an average I was getting around 6 to 7 hours of continuous music playtime at 70% volume level, and charging it from 0 to 100 took around 2.5 hours. Well, that was my review on Soundone V9 affordable BT 5.0 headphones. They're pretty good for the price. The build quality is nice, feel comfortable to wear, offer a variety of input modes, and the battery life is also decent. These headphones cost about 1390 rupees on Amazon. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.